He did not come from a background of fame, yet something about him was always impossible to ignore. With a commanding presence, quiet intensity, and undeniable screen authority, Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ didn't simply step into Turkish entertainment. He built his own path, transforming an unexpected beginning into one of the most respected acting careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 27, 1983, in Adana, Turkey, Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ's journey began far from the polished world of television fame. In his early years, his focus was not acting but sports. He was a talented basketball player and competed professionally until a serious injury brought that chapter to an abrupt end. What initially felt like a setback quietly became the turning point that redirected his life. After moving to Istanbul, Kıvanç entered the world of modeling, where his striking features and disciplined presence quickly set him apart. Winning the Best Model of Turkey title, followed by Best Model of the World, opened doors that few could ignore. Yet modeling was never the final destination. It was only the gateway. His transition into acting marked a decisive shift. With dedicated training and a clear desire to be taken seriously, he made his television debut in Gummis, a series that became a cultural phenomenon across Turkey and the Middle East. The role introduced him to massive international audiences and established him as a leading man almost overnight. Rather than remaining within safe territory, Kıvanç consciously expanded his range. He delivered emotionally restrained performances in Aşk-ı Memnu, intense psychological depth in Kuzeyune, and complex masculinity in Caesar v. Güzel. Each role reflected a clear evolution, showing an actor willing to explore vulnerability, conflict, and internal struggle rather than relying solely on image. By 2026, Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ is regarded as one of the most dependable and respected lead actors in Turkish entertainment. Directors value his discipline and emotional control, audiences connect with his authenticity, and critics consistently acknowledge his growth across genres. His career choices reflect patience, intention, and a deep understanding of longevity. Off-screen, his lifestyle blends privacy with balance. He maintains a low profile, prioritizing family life, physical fitness, and personal routine over constant visibility. Unlike many celebrities, he avoids unnecessary exposure, allowing his work to remain at the center of his public identity. His fashion sense mirrors this approach. Clean, classic, and understated, Kıvanç favors timeless styles over fleeting trends. Whether on international red carpets or in everyday appearances, his confidence feels natural rather than performative. While his personal life has occasionally drawn public attention, he remains highly selective about what he shares. Known within the industry as professional and grounded, he approaches his craft with focus and emotional intelligence, often preparing deeply to understand the psychological layers of his characters. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects years of consistent success across television, film, and high-value brand collaborations. More than financial achievement, he has built lasting credibility and international recognition through deliberate choices and sustained effort. What many fans admire most is his restraint. Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ does not rush relevance or chase trends. He values depth, silence, and emotional truth, qualities that quietly elevate his performances and set him apart in an industry driven by speed. Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ's journey is defined by transformation rather than repetition. From athlete to model, from global heartthrob to respected actor, his rise reflects discipline, patience, and intentional growth. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern Turkish stardom, powerful, composed, and built to endure. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.